How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to change out the steering wheel on the 300ZX twin turbo.
It's you and
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first step to this is to remove the centerpiece. All right, there's one screw behind it, and then it should just pop right out. There's a couple clips behind it. We'll pull it out. Hopefully we'll be able to get the one nut off behind it and get it out. All right, guys, the first step, like I said, is to get this screw out. So let's go ahead and knock that out. It's a little hard to get back here and get any video of it, but we'll give it a shot to get it out. I think here we go. Let's see. Let me turn on my flashlight on my phone. Let's get back here and check out what we're doing. Let's see if I can actually get under here. All right, there's this screw. All right, there we go. It's biting. All right, here we go. In a second, we should just be able to pop it right off. Move on to the next step. All right, maybe a little bit more. All right, so that should be out. It should just come right out. There it is. Oh, and as you can see behind it, there's only one clip. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that clip out and move on to the next step. Okay, guys, this is a little bit of a close-up. You can see that's where the bolt hole comes through right into the plastic. As you can see, I only have one connector. I thought there'd be a couple more just because all of what's behind it, there's a clip that it holds on into this piece, which we're gonna have to remove because my steering wheel doesn't have it. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and undo this clip. Hopefully it comes out nice and easy. One, it's really cold out here, but it did come out and my hands are cold and those are old. So we got it out. The next step is to get this piece off. Actually, the next step is we're gonna go pop out the steering wheel, make sure it's centered straight before we pop it off, just so that when we put the new one on, it's not all screwed up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be about a 3/4 inch bolt in there, and you just gotta go ahead, give it a lot of pressure to get it down. There we go. And then you just go ahead and loosen it out and pull it on out. Hopefully the steering wheel should just pop out, but this thing's been on probably since the car was brand new, so I don't know how easy it's gonna come out. So let's just finish unbolting the one bolt that goes in it. Oh, there it is. That's what's holding on your steering wheel. All right, so the next step is to get the steering wheel off. Got to make sure it's lined up pretty good. Right now we're pretty straight and it's not going to come off right away. So what you do is you take the screw back on, you put it on a couple turns, make sure the steering wheel is still straight, and just hit the steering wheel a couple times to try and get it moving. This one's on pretty good. There we go. Off. So now come back, loosen that up again because now it's tight, a little tighter now because it's back up against the steering wheel, and go ahead and pull off your steering wheel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've decided to cut this video into 2 parts. It is quite long, and I have a feeling a lot of people are going to watch it for the first part, the removal of the steering wheel, which is going to be this video, and the next video is going to be switching off all the parts onto the new steering wheel, and then finishing it up and putting it back in and getting it situated. I did run into some problems in the second video of with the steering wheel. I couldn't get the horn to work. Tried to pull it off, it wouldn't come off. Finally got it back in there, decided to just tighten it down a little bit further, and now it works. So I guess it just wasn't in tight enough for me. So that's all done. Check out the second video when it hits, which should be in a couple days. So feel free to like and subscribe to me, please. Have a good one, guys, and be safe.